And we are back now with Today Table series sponsored by Walmart. And to make your meal prep even easier, all you need to do is scan that QR code. It's going to help you order all of the ingredients you need. Doing the cooking this morning, Top Chef finalist Shirley Chung. She's the author of Chinese Heritage Cooking from My American Kitchen. Shirley and I have a lot in common. You're from Beijing.
Yes.
Then came to the States. You're in Culver City, California. From Santa Monica. We're neighbors there.
And grew up in the Bay Area.
Grew up in the Bay Area. Spent a lot of time in the Bay Area.
Yeah.
Thank you for being here as we celebrate all things Beijing. We've been talking a little bit about street food, which is fun when you travel. I think street food's a good way to get into the culture.
100%.
But you've got these lamb chops. Are lamb chops a street food?
Well, my favorite street food is actually grilled lamb skewer from Beijing.
Yeah.
I used to sneak out behind my mom's back with my best friend, use all my lunch money to buy lamb skewer. But I feel like lamb chop, this lollipop, with flavor and also comes to cookery, is a lot easier, a lot easier to find.
Right.
So that's why today I did a Beijing-Inspired lamb chop.
So where do you start?
Okay, so the first we're going to make this sesame sauce. So as a Beijinger, everything we love is going with sesame sauce. So it's tahini base, and then we have soy sauce, vinegar, and then a little bit warm water.
You mentioned we have our tasting table over there. The gang is.
Oh, I hope they're ready. You smell there's all the spices in the air.
Shirley, is these lamb chops gonna marinate in that for a long time, or can you do it an hour before?
So you want to do it in 1 hour minimum, and then all the spices is here. We have. Right? Smells
So it gets
good.
to like this kind of pasty consistency?
To be like, just drizzle a little bit more water so it's like a sauce consistency. If it's a little bit thick, the weather is a little bit cold right now, so it's a little bit, just a little bit touch more. And then we're going to have a spice rub. So here we have Sichuan peppercorn, cumin, and also chili flakes and coriander seed. Toasted separately, then we make a spice rub. We're gonna rub them, let them marinate them. Yeah.
Okay. And they can sit for about an hour. They're coated nice, and you got your cast iron.
Cast iron is one of the key to sear meat.
Yep.
So nice and fast. Sear them both sides.
Yep.
Because we cut them nice and thin, like a lollipop.
Cook pretty quick.
Yeah, so they cook really quick and nice caramelized, just both sides, 2 minutes. You want to make sure they're nice and seared. You can hear the sizzle.
Sounds great.
And
So just even a couple minutes aside, and they look like this, you can tell.
Yeah.
Just by touching them, they're perfect.
They're perfect. And then what I do is kind of like a little secret, a little bit butter, baste it, just to finish up, round up all the spices.
Shirley, that's amazing. Great.
So good. How is it?
So good. I never normally mess with the lamb chops too much. I don't let the lamb speak. This brings out the lamb.
It does.
You smell all the aroma?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
the meat can
delicious.
handle the spice.
What are you serving with it? We have a little over a minute.
Yeah.
Let's have time for this.
So
Meat pies?
Beijing meat pies.
Yeah.
So this is another of my favorite street food growing up, and we have beef filling right here. And then this is a wrapper made of flour and water, really simple. And one of my favorite dumplings that you cook.
What's the meat concoction there?
So this is a ground beef, and then also onion, and then mixing with spices and soy sauce and chunky diced onion, and we're going to perform meat pie.
Okay.
How's your fingers?
Mine?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Let's
Close
do
them
some.
up?
Yeah, let's do them.
And so you just sort of
wanna
cinch them up
pinch them? Here, let me show you.
like a taco?
Yeah, we're gonna pinch them like nicely,
okay.
like this.
Oh.
Shirley, could you use any meat?
But ultimately, what you do is you want to include all the meat into your wrapper.
Yep.
You know, pinch harder, harder.
Okay.
So you don't want your meat and juice leak
I'll
out.
leave that alone. Uncle Al's
oh, wow.
Can you substitute different meats for these?
Yeah, any meat works. So,
Some leakage there.
so get them like
Yep.
nice and sealed.
Okay.
So once you seal them, here's a saute pan.
Yep.
Okay, and then what you want to do is you sear them and you cover them.
How long is that going to cook?
2 minutes each side, and you continue to
them?
cover and flip them. Really crucial to make them, see, golden on each side and soft around it.
Yep,
and
Shirley.
super juicy.
Can you imagine
the
being out in
sauces are
Beijing
so good.
after drinking some beers
Oh my God,
and finding
so
these
yummy.
lamb skewers that have all this flavor and
yummy.
these meat pies that are
Meat
warm?
pie and
are like
all the juices, a little bit of spice.
This is
vinegar.
not our dirty water dogs. This is the New York dirty water dogs.
I want to go on this street.
Appreciate you still being over
Thank
this. Check out the ingredients, scan the QR code, text food to 34318. Remember, today earns a commission on purchases through the QR code at the website. So thanks so much, Shirley.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.